Hi everybody, it's Miss Kayson here with an example of dividing numbers in scientific notation. So our example today is 4 times 10 to the power of 2 divided by 5 times 10 to the power of negative 2. Remember that scientific notation is just a way of writing really big and really small numbers, and they're just factors being multiplied together. So what I first notice is that in the denominator, I have 10 to the power of negative 2 right there. So that negative exponent we're actually going to eliminate by moving it to the numerator. Remember that negative exponents can be switched or rewritten when moved to the other side of that fraction bar. So I've got my first number, 4 times 10 to the power of 2. I'm going to move that power of 10 to the power of negative 2 to the numerator, and it is now going to be 10 to the power of 2. So the factor that's left over in the denominator is our 5. So now I'm going to start simplifying the numerator. Remember, 10 to the power of 2 times 10 to the power of 2 is 10 to the power of 4. So that's what I get in the numerator. Now I'm going to split that fraction. I'm going to split our numbers in the front. I've got 4/5 times 10 to the power of 4. Since 4/5 is equivalent to 8/10, I'm going to go ahead and write 8/10 times 10 to the power of 4. But since we're trying to write this in scientific notation, we need to move the decimal of the 0.8. Scientific notation requires that our first value is a number between 1 and 10. So 0.8 times 10 to the power of 4, that would be 8,000, since we move the decimal over 4 times. But if we move the decimal over once to the right to make it 8, that means we only need to move it 3 more times to become 8,000, or the equivalent. So we get 8 times 10 to the power of 3. And that's our number in scientific notation.